You're welcome back to this channel. Get understanding, don't memorize. In the previous video, we look at addition of sets. As we said, we are looking at addition and subtraction of sets. So we considered addition of sets. So in this video, we are going to look at subtraction of what? Subtraction of what? Of sets. Okay, fine. So let us look at these examples or exercises. As we said before, when you are adding sets, you have to add the sets that are like together. Or otherwise, the like terms, you add them together. Yes, always add the like terms together. So we are saying that, and we also say if the sets are not reduced or simplified, make sure you simplify or reduce them before you subtract. So for example, let us note that if you have square root of 3 and square root of 2, see they are not like terms. They are not alike, so we cannot say that square root of 3 minus square root of 2 is equal to square root of 1 or 1. Everything this is not, it's not equal to that. And then if you have square root of 5 and square root of 2, you cannot subtract square root of 2 from square root of 5. It's just like if you have what? X minus y. You cannot subtract x from y. Sorry, you cannot subtract y from x. So x minus y is the same as x minus y. And the same way, square root of 5 minus 2 is the same as what? Square root of 5 minus 2. So it's not equal to what? Cannot say it's equal to square root of 3. So let's just know that. Okay, so guys, quickly, students, let us solve these examples and what exercise. So the first one is what? So this is just like it's similar to what we did in the previous video. We have just changed the signs, everything to subtraction instead of addition. So we are having square root of 8 minus square root of 2. So this square root of 2 is reduced, however, square root of 8 is not reduced. And 8 is the same as what? 4 times what? 4 times 2. Yes, put it under square root of sign minus what? Square root of what? 2. Then you separate. You have square root of what? Square root of 4 times square root of what? 2 and the square root of what? 2. So what do we get? This is what? 2. 2 times square root of what? 2 minus square root of what? 2. Which is equal to what is 2 times square root of 2? 2 times square root of 2 is what? 2 root 2 minus what? Root 2. What is the answer? So the answer you get what? You get root 2. Yes, the answer is what? Is root 2. Alright, because this is the same as what? It's similar to 2 as a 2s minus s. You get what? 1x. 2s minus s is the same as 2s minus 1s. Which is what? X or 1x. It's the same as that. Okay, so I hope you understand. So if you like, can use factorization too. So here you can factorize square root of 2 out. It's common. It's a common factor. Then we get 2 what? 2 minus 1. So this is what is in the bracket. 2 minus 1, you get 1. So at the end of the day, you get square root of 2 times 1, which is square root of 2. Okay, so let us look at this example. So what answer do you get? 1. This is root 3 minus 2 root 3. This is the same as 1 root 3 minus 2 root 3. The answer is what? Negative what? Negative root 3. So this is the answer you get. Okay, so if you use factorization, this is the same as what? If you use factorization, you can say it's the same as what? Factor square root of so you can factorize square root of what? Square root of 3 out. So square root of 3, if you factorize out, you get what? 1 here. So that 1 times square root of 3, get the square root of 3 back, and then you get what? Minus 2. Everything, close the bracket, so minus 2. So that minus 2 times square root of 3, get what? Minus 2 root 3. So this is equal to what? Square root of 3 into bracket. What is 1 minus 2? 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. Everything. So we get this is the same as negative 1 times square root of 3, which is negative 1. This is what? Root 3, which is the same as negative what? Root 3. That's what it means. Okay. Yeah. So that is it. Okay. So let us look at this example as well. This exercise or example. So this one is the same as 80 is the same as what? This one is not reduced. Neither is this reduced. So we have to reduce them first before what? We subtract. So 80 is 16 times what? 16 times 5 give you 80. Okay. So that is like this. Break it down like that. And then 45 is what? 9 times what? 9 times 5 give you 45. So this one we get square root of what? Square root of 16 times what? Square root of 5. And then we have minus what? Square root of 9 times square root of what? 5. Which is equal to what? What is this? This is 4. 4 times square root of what? Square root of 4 times, sorry. So this is the same as what? Let's come down here. This is equal to what? So this is 4. 4 times square root of what? 5. And then minus this is square root of 9 is what? 3. 3 times square root of what? 5. So if you like here, you can just factorize what? Square root of 5. Factorize. The answer you get what? You get 1 root 5, which is root 5. So if you factorize, you get what? Square root of 5 out. It's common. Sorry, square root of 5 is what? It's common factor. Factorize it. Then what do you get? You get 4 here. Have you seen? Then 4 minus, what do you get here? You get 3. Have you seen? So 4 minus 3 is 1. So at the end you get what? Square root of 5 times what? Times 1, which is the same as 1 times square root of 5, which is equal to what? Square root of what? Square root of 5. Have you seen? So the answer you get square root of what? 5. Square root of 5. That is it, as I will see. Okay, so guys, understanding is what matters. To make sure you understand. Whatever, if you don't understand, you have to let me know. Let's look at this example. We have this is 3 root 2 minus root 2. Yes, 3 root 2 minus what do you get? So here, this one we get 2 root 2. This will be the answer. So if you like, you can factorize. Have you seen? So this one is the same as what? 2 times square root of 2. Sorry, 3 times square root of 2. So if you factorize this, you factorize square root of 2 out. What do you get here? You get 3. So you got 3 times that, then get minus what? What is 1? Have you seen? So 3 minus, you get square root of 2 to bracket. What is 3 minus 1? 3 minus 1 is 2. Have you seen? So this is the same as square root of 2 times 2, which is the same as what? 2 times square root of 2. We get 2 what? 2 2. Have you seen? Yes. So as I was saying, this one from here, this is the same as what? The same as 3 is the same as 3 times what? Square root of what? 2. Then minus 1 times what? Square root of 2. So that I can factorize. Yes, I hope that the factorization is clear. Clear to you. Okay, so let's just look at this one. We have 4 root 5 minus 3 root 5. Then they will get what? 1 root 5, which is root 5. Everything. So this is the same as what? Root 5. 1 root 5. If you like, you can factorize. This is the same as what? It's 4 times square root of 5. I think I don't need to bring this multiplication sign before you when I factorize, you understand. So yes, but I'm trying to break it down. The same as what? 3 times what? Square root of 5. Everything. You can factorize square root of 5 out. This is square root of 5, not 3. So square root of what? 5 out. Then you get what? 4 here. And then minus what? 3. Have you seen? So 4 minus 3 is what? 1. So 1 times square root of 5, and then you get square root of what? 5. Yes, as we got it. We got here. And next one, square root of 6 root 2 minus 2 root 2. This is 4 root 2. The answer is 4 root 2. Have you seen? Answer is 4 root 4. 4 root 2. If you like factorize, root 2 root 2. Root 2 is a common factor. So if you like, factorize root 2 out. Then what do we get? You factorize root 2, you get what? 6. For this 6 times that 6, and then we have minus, what do we get here? 2. Have you seen? So this goes to root 2 what? What is 6 minus 2? 6 minus 2 is 4. And then this is the same as what? This is the same as root 2 times what? Times 4, which is the same as 4 times what? Root 2, which is equal to what? 4 root what? 4 root 2. Okay? That's very enjoyable, understandable, fine, not difficult at all. Okay, so this is example 7 or exercise 7. So let's just solve this. So we have a square root of 1000 minus square root of 50 minus square root of 32 minus square root of 162. So what is square root of 1000? None of them is reduced. We have to reduce them before we subtract. Okay, as we said, as we saw in the previous video. So this one square 1000 is what? 100. It's 100 times 10 will give you 100 times what? Times 10. This is 1000. So square root, put it under square root time and minus 50. Everything 50 is what? 25 what? 25 times 2. That perfect I per square, that is a factor of 50 is what? It's 25. So we get what? 25 minus what? 25 minus 2. Okay? Yeah. And then we have 32. 32. We have 4 times 8, which is 32. 4 is a pi per square, but that's not the height. You have 16 times 2, which is also 32. So we take what? 16 times what? 2 right there. Because 16 is the highest per square. And then 162 is also what? 81 times what? 81 times 2. Okay? And that. So this is what we get. Okay? So it is equal to, so this one is what? Square root of 100. Square root of 100 times square root of what? 10. And then minus square root of what? 25 times square root of what? 2. Minus square root of what? 16 times square root of what? 2. Minus square root of 81. This is 81. Oh, no, this is 81. Okay, minus square root of what? 81 times square root of what? 2. Okay, so let us come up here. Okay, so what is this? This is square root of 100 is what? 10. So we get 10 times square root of 10, which is what? 10 root 10. Okay, 10 root 10. Then this is square root of 25 is what? 5. So minus 5 times square root of what? 2, which is 5 root 2 minus 5 root what? Root 2. And then this one is what? 16. Square root of 16 is what? 4. So we get minus 4 times square root of 2, which is what? Minus 4, minus 4 root what? Root 2. And this one is square root of 81 is 9. 9 and 81. So we get minus what? This is minus 9 root what? 9 root 2. Okay? So this is equal to what? You see here 10 root 10. Root 10 is different from, we have root 2, root 2, root 2 to the, but this is root 10. So all this 3 minus 5 root 2 minus 4 root 2 and minus 9 root 2, they are like terms. So we handle them, we put them together, and then by this one we leave it as it is, because they are not like terms. Okay? So this what we get for this is what? 10 root what? 10 root 10. Obviously minus, this is 5 minus 5 root 2 minus 4 root 2. Obviously minus 9 root 2. So what do we get? Minus 18 root 2. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Minus 9 again is what? Minus what? 18 root what? Minus 18 root 2. So this is the final answer. The final answer you get. Obviously, if you like here, you factorize. If you factorize, so let's now come here. This is you got what? This one is 10 what? 10 root what? 10 root 10. So if you want to factorize square root of 2 out, but since all of them are negative, you can factorize negative out, negative square root of 2 out. So if you factor negative square root of 2, you know that this one will be positive. It will be positive here. You will get what? You will get 5. Positive 5, and then plus what? Plus positive 4, and then plus what? Positive 9 is what you get. So that if you expand square root of negative square root of 2 times positive 5, get negative 5 root 2. And then yes, if you expand, the negative will affect all the sign those in the bracket, so that at the end of the day we have the same answer. Obviously, so this is the same as what? 10 what? 10 root 10. Then we have minus what? Minus 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 9 18. So minus square root of 2 into bracket what? 18. Obviously, so negative square root of 2 times 18, you get what? So this is 10 root 10. So negative square root of 2 times positive 18, get negative what? Minus 18 root what? Root 2. As you answer, as we have said. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you are enjoying. If you have any difficulty, let me know. Contact me through WhatsApp, through email, everything, whatever any means. I've made everything possible and available so that you can contact me. You know what bothers you. So don't forget to subscribe. If you are finding this lesson very helpful, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share, and hit the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload additional videos, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.